Hello everyone! Mayroon tayong I have O2.O lipstick. It's not from Malaysia, it's from China. So, ako'y bumibili. I order online guys from Shopee. So, I take from Shopee O2.O. It's hot gold foil thermochromic lipstick. So, ito siya guys. It's like a rainbow color. See that one? I got two. This and this one. Unboxing. Unbox pa natin ito guys. Unboxing. It's code 01. Siguro hindi ito pareho. Let's open this. Wow, it's... Oh no! Okay. So here. So paano ba yan? Wait. Para makita nila, diba? Wait. So ito ang ating O2.O thermographic. Oh, no way. So how to do this? Okay, I got two. So, yung ginawa ko guys is kumuha ko ng cotton balls. So, i-ano niyo, ibabad sa tubig or just put some water on it and press. So, may tubig siya. So, linisin natin yung ating lips. So, malinis na yan. So, i-dry muna. So, wala akong extra na yung parang towel or tissue para dry siya guys. Water lang ito ha. Cotton balls with water. So, soak nyo. So, let's try this first. Rainbow color. Ano ba? May color siya. So, how to apply this is to just from the center of apply evenly from the center of the lips to the outside, to the lip. Tingnan natin. So, tingnan natin eh. So, that's it. Parang magic siya guys. So, ito. This one. So, we try this. It's 01. And this one is 02. Not 20. It's 0201. So, this is 01. May kulay ba? So, forget it. So, we need to wait maybe few seconds. Okay. And that's the result. So, burahin natin guys. And the next, the 02. See? You can see the color. That's the color. Yes. It's like, look at that. Then next, 02. Okay. Ito ang nag-viral dito sa Malaysia, di ba? Okay, center. Wow. So, ito lang ang ma-share ko sa inyo guys. O2.o. Thank you for watching and see you next time on my next beauty product. O2.o from Shopee.